सुरक्षित रखूं। धन्यवाद।
Oh, here, let me help you with this. There you go.
Thank you.
Crew prepare for takeoff. Doors to arm and cross-check.
Let me help you. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Are you okay? Oh, you're crying. Has something happened? Is there a problem? Are you in any pain? I can...
I miss my son.
Look, we're not in the same position, but I really do understand. You know, when you miss someone, you miss someone. But look on the bright side. Think of your family back in Hyderabad. They miss you too. And I bet they're so excited to meet you. Yeah? Look, why don't we take your mind off things? Put on a good movie. Okay? Right, so let's pop these in. Right? What's this? Right. You can tell me which one. That one? No? Yeah? There you go. Oh, and I'll get you a nice cup of tea. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
When are you going back?
Oh, 2 days.
You have to come to my house.
Oh, no, I can't.
No, you have to come to my house. This is my
no,
son's
really.
car.
I can't come to your house.
Tomorrow is my festival day.
Oh, I
You
can't.
have to, please. Please come.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah. You have to come.
I never thought I'd go, but there was something in her smile, you know, that childlike persuasion, that I actually found myself going.
Oh, hi. You are Helena, right?
Oh, you know my name.
Oh, yes. Please come.
Yes, I'm very
To make it cold.
I got them.
Got it.
अरे पानी खा रहे एक पिलर ढकड़ में
How it is? It's delicious, yum.
It's spicy for you.
It's okay. What's
Spicy.
It's my favorite.
This home food for you. Don't eat hotel food. This is healthy food for you.
Thank you.
This is for you. And this is from me.
Thank you.
Take care.
I've been flying to India for 2 years now. It's a feeling I cannot describe. The more I discover, the more I fall in love.